Are you a beginner budgeter looking for that list of everything your budget needs every single month? Well, look no further because I'm going to give you the most important things that every budget needs every single month. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know I have a brand new guide just for you if you are someone who is completely ready to end your relationship with credit cards. That was me over a decade ago. I was really in a bad position with credit cards. I had 4 of them maxed out. It was stressful, stressful, stressful. What I've created for you is a guide with 9 ways that you can start breaking up with your credit cards today. And this is exactly what I needed when I was ready to end it with credit cards. I hope you will find it helpful. You can find the link to that in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and I'm a financial coach for women, helping you become joyfully debt-free. And a big part of how I do that is with your budget, your plan for the month. What is your money doing? It's coming in, it's going out. Do you know the plan? Do you have a job for every single dollar every single month? Well, that is the goal of the budget. That is the goal of the plan, is that we know where our money is going and we have a plan for it. So I'm going to break down 5 things that are really important to have in that plan. But before I do that, I just want to reiterate that one more time, that you have a job assigned to every single dollar of that income every single month. If you start there, you're going to be more successful than most people who are trying to budget right now. All right, first and foremost, you're going to start with the necessities. And so to me, this means the food that you're going to eat for the month, your mortgage or your rent, the utilities for your household, so heat, electric, whatever else is necessary, and your transportation to work so that you can continue to bring in an income. So once you have those 4 things in your plan, we know the money is there for them, right? We start there so that we know the money is there. If you've struggled in the past to have money left over to fill up your gas tank when you need it, or your car payments at the end of the month and there never seems to be money left over, make sure those things go into your plan first so that you have that peace of mind, that confidence that they fit in your plan. Anything that you put in your plan after the necessities, those things shouldn't get paid until after the necessities do. If you're making a big credit card payment, but then you turn around and you're having trouble getting your truck payment paid, let's flip the 2, right? The transportation comes before the other debt payments. Something like a car loan or a truck loan is going to come before your other debt payments. So let's make sure that we are clear about what are the necessities and what is going to get paid first. Okay, cool. So now we have the necessities out of the way. Surely there's some money left over and a lot still to do, right? So the next thing I want you to think about is what is happening this month that I want to cash flow? What is happening that maybe isn't part of my regular routine? It's not part of a regular month, but it's something that needs to be taken care of this month. So it might be something like your car has to get registered, or your cat has to go to the vet for its annual checkup, or you have a couple of birthdays in your family. Like what's happening this month that's a little bit different than a typical month, and you really want to make sure that you're setting money aside for that thing. Okay, next after that, number 3 is what is a short-term goal that you're working on? Do you want to put some more money in savings this month? Are you working on your debt snowball and you want to pay off a significant portion of debt? That is the next thing I want you to put in your plan, is a short-term goal. Are you saving or are you paying off debt? The reason I'm putting this number 3 is because a lot of times what happens is we start putting money in savings or we pay off extra on debt, and then we turn around and forget that we had the vet appointment for the cat. We forgot about the birthdays. We forgot about the car registration. And then we wind up pulling out our credit card and using debt anyway. Or we wind up pulling money out of savings and feeling frustrated that we didn't make any progress this month. So I want you to start with, what are the things that we need to take care of to avoid further debt? How are we going to take care of things in the moment right now and get through the month without new debt, or without having to pull out of our savings and feeling like we're just taking a step backwards? So figure out what needs to be cash flowed this month, what's unique about the month, and then we're going to identify our goal. Do we want to put extra towards a credit card? Do we want to add some money to savings? Is our emergency fund built up to where we want it? That is the third thing you put in your budget. What is your short-term goal? Are you going to save some money? Are you going to pay extra towards debt? Okay, then number 4 in your budget, whether your goal is to save money or pay off debt, every single budget needs a sinking fund. And so this is a savings that would be separate from your emergency fund, and you would save in your sinking fund even if you're paying off debt. Okay, I want to make that very clear. This is a necessity, not a luxury. So you are saving in your sinking fund even as you're paying off debt. And the sinking fund is for things, just like I mentioned in step 2, the vet appointment, the car registration, the birthdays. It also includes holidays, insurance premiums if you pay them once or twice a year, anything that you pay annually, anything that comes up during the year that kind of surprises you or catches you off guard, or it's something that isn't part of your regular monthly routine and so it kind of sneaks up on us. This might be big heating bills during the winter months. This might be pest control. It might be yard work, plowing, whatever it is that's not a consistent monthly item. We want to make sure that we are saving for it over the course of the year. We're breaking down all of those costs into monthly amounts, and we have that built into our plan so that they don't completely sabotage our efforts throughout the year, saving money and paying off debt. Okay, and then finally, every single budget needs fun money. So whether you're married or single, every adult in your household needs fun money. I have a full video all about fun money for couples right here, so make sure you check that out if that is not already part of your monthly plan. But in a nutshell, fun money is for you. Fun money is so that you are staying sane on this journey without sacrificing everything that makes you happy. There's always something for you every single month, even on your debt-free journey. Let me know if you're a beginner budgeter in the comments below. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And if you like this video, let me know by giving it a like. I will see you next week with another video. Bye for now.